tools, in down they give some kind of disclaimer that so the content which is produced by the chat GPT or chatbot, it not be exactly maybe correct. Okay, these are the disclaimer you may find for any tools. This similarly, I'm just giving the one disclaimer before starting the session. Uh, in this case, artificial intelligence is only assistant. Kindly treat artificial intelligence as an assistant. Don't treat it as a master. So always I'm emphasize this one. Technology is a what is that wonderful assistant to all the human being, all the of us. But if you treat it as a master, our creativity will be questionable. So therefore, I request all when you need that AI tools, kindly start to use it. Okay. Suppose you have a caliber to generate resources or to create by yourself, you can use your intelligence instead of going to artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence is helping to do the work in smartly. Okay. So that is the reason the people now call us a smart tool for his smart minds. Now the smart minds people can use the smart tools, but parallelly, I'm just request all the participants kindly mute while joining it. Yeah. So this why I'm giving this disclaimer, because I'm going to discuss about a lot of AI tools now. Right? Some of the tools it may be eye opener for you. So if there is no, I'm not be any agent for what is that giving the advertisement for any tool. Listen, so I'm not any agents for any other tools. I'm just sharing my experiences, the tool which I'm using it, and I'm just giving this where we can use, when we can use. This is my main deliberation which I'm going to highlight. One more disclaimer, as I already mentioned, the same thing I'm focusing on. A is only an assistant, not in a master. Okay, please kindly treat A as only assistant for you. Don't treat it as a master, because when you treat it as a master, your creativity will be questionable. Kindly use as only a technology, as a tool, right? Now, before going to this one, I'm just going to give you insights about why we need this AI integration in the case of research. So for this, I'm just using this slide. So we are come to the research 4.0. You know, the industrial revolution 4.0, it's create a lot of impact in the day-to-day life, and it's creating impact in the research field also. That is the reason I just made the title as a research 4.0. It's like a fourth generation research and embracing AI scholarly explorations. Okay, so here how the AI is going to help as a researcher for us, or as an assistant for us, and to give in the different way. I'm talking about how AI is going to helping for the literature review, writing an article, as well as the data analysis, even for the overcome from the plagiarism. So yeah, for all the things, how the AI is helping us. Before then, I just give the small brief. What is the necessity to integrate the AI? Because now you know that the terms called deep learning or machine learning. So machine learning is nothing but AI started to learn by themselves, right? So, so now the people are talking about artificial intelligence learning. I'm talking about machine learning and deep learning. So the machine started the learning by themselves, but we stopped learning because the technology gets, we stop learning, but the technology started to learn in the name of machine learning. And see this other case, now AI became a doctor. So it give the treatment, So it able to diagnose, even particularly the AI tools, AI, is very much going to helpful for the medical field, because when you go there, for example, after 40 years, when you go there, if they have the database, the database can understand what kind of previous causes for you, what kind of issues for us. Based on this, is going to predict what's going to happen tomorrow. So all kind of data like this kind of machine learning is helping us, because everything's AI is going to predict what's going to happen tomorrow. And AI now assists us a home. You know that all the way it's look like our partner. Okay, look like our personal assistant in the future aspects. Even some of foreign countries, they use this kind of robot system to assist the homes. So, and just why I'm showing these things, because this AIs create a lot of impact in our day-to-day life, and similarly, it's creating impact in the research. So that is the reasons now we think about how we can use this kind of smart tool for our smart research, doing the smart research. And the image which I'm showing, these are the image generated by AI only. So I use the tools like ideogram, like a lot of plenty of tools are there. Even now the ChatGPT is creating images. Previously ChatGPT only a text generative model, but now it's a like it's like a gender, it's kind of multi-generative model. It's create some kind of images. Even it's going to do the analysis. Recently I found that there is a data analysis option also there. So therefore now the ChatGPT is working, it's a multi-generative model, previously only text generative model. So this way now we are using a AI as part of our research. And parallel, I'm just showing this. I'm taking only for few introductions. After that, I'm directly moving to my demonstrations. So I'm just showing this one more slide. You can see this. This is my agenda of today's presentation. I'm just starting with small remarks. What is called artificial intelligence, the meaning of AI. Then after I'm just moving to what is mean by AI powered research, because we are discussing about always AI powered, AI assisted. So in all the aspects, AI powered education, AI assisted in education, like we are discussing a lot of things now. And similarly, we need to discuss about what is called AI powered research and which are the AI tools may helping for our research. And finally, I can conclude my remark. This is my today's agenda, and I just moving to the first aspects. What AI can do, right? So this is nothing but the capabilities of AI. I'm just talking about the capability of AI. AI. So what are the capability that artificial intelligence having? So there is a term which I just added here that is called STA. So any predictions, I request all the participants kindly come forward to give the answer. According to you, what may be yes represent? So what is the yes represent? Any idea? So these are the capabilities of, I'm talking about, these are the capabilities or the ability of AI. So what is that capability the AI having the same like human being? Actually, this is all the capability we have, like the STA capability we have. The same kind of capability the machines now having. Machines means artificial intelligence. Thank you, Tamil Mani sir. He's talking about sorting. Right, any other answer from the participant side? It is like a capability. This capability the human being having. The similar kind of capability the machines having, then it is called as an artificial intelligence. Harita, yes, good answer, synthesis. Then any other answers? Searching, yeah, systematic. Don't be look on to directly to the research, okay? I'm asking the general aspects, simplify standard transcript specialization. Krashal Kumar, don't write it here. Please, please, please. Krashal Kumar, don't use the annotate. Kindly don't use the annotates. Okay. Yes. Any other response from the participants? So yes, the Bhaskar, you are correct. So thank you so much. The Bhaskar, all the answer, you relevant answer only given, but when you go with any kind of things, we need to find the appropriate answer, like most appropriate answer. So in this case, the most appropriate answer, sorry, most appropriate answer. Yeah, sorry for this. Okay, hope you are getting this. The most appropriate answer, sense. Okay, that is called sense. That yes represents sense. Listen. So if that machines having a sense, like sense capability, same like human being. For example, we can able to hear, we can able to see, we can able to what is that? Hear the sounds, taste. These are the five sense organs. Through this, we are getting this knowledge. Therefore, we may call as an these five sense organs are the gateways of knowledge. Similarly, now the machines having a sense, it able to respond, it able to hear, it able to. For example, I'm using a. You can see this. I'm using a Microsoft Office. I mean Microsoft 360 account of MS Office or PowerPoint I'm using. When I enable the caption, you can see what happened. What I'm speaking now is typing down. So based on the interest, are you able to see this? Who's typing now? Who's typing now? The machine's typing. The machine's nothing but artificial intelligence because it's come out of the natural language processing. This thing is called as an NLP. Through this NLP technology, the machines like this kind of technology is helping to type. So therefore, it is called what is that? Artificial intelligence having a sense capability. Okay, so just I'm going to stop this captions. Yes. Yes, so on that. Yeah. So I think that you understand the terms first. Yes. Okay. It is called sense. So easy to do anything with the sense and without touching also, right? Yeah. So now the machine having the touch capability also, even the machine having a here like taste capabilities. All the capabilities the machines having. So that is the reason we cannot be felt that the machines having some kind of or is the limitation in the case of sense. It having the same sense like human being nowadays. Now the second term is T. Any prediction about the term? Sorry, any prediction about the term T for? Any prediction? The T represent? What is called T represent? Tactile. Thank you, Siva. Any other answer? Okay. So automatically the tactile it's come kind of some kind of cognitive only. Fine. Any kind of translation? Of course, the translations is part of the thinking. Yes, the answers come from the John Milton and Boswell is correct. It is called thinking capability or thought capability. Because when you ask the questions, I can be able to respond because we have think capability. It's the same like you can see ChatGPT. When you ask the prompting, it gives the responses. So what is the meaning? That now the chatbot having this like some kind of capability, like a cognitive capability to understand the question. Based on the questions, give this a wonderful answer, like it's responded properly. So the same like human being, the machine having a thinking capability, T for thinking. So listen, if machines having a sense capability like a human being, if machines having a thinking capability same like a human being, then it's called artificial intelligence. The last one, A represent. What is called A represent? Any idea? What is A represent? What is A? Yes, Kausal Kumar, you are correct. It is called, yeah, actions. It's nothing but acting capability. If machines act like a human being, if like for example, we can able to walk, we can able to dance, we can able to sing. The similar kind of actions now the AI is doing. So listen, the Naik sir, analysis part of the cognitive, like a thinking process. So we have three capability, like sense capability, thinking capabilities. Through this, we are acting. We are able to act like what are things we are doing daily. This kind of same thing the machine is able to do this. Therefore, it is called acting capability. If machines having the three capability like sense, think, and act capability, then it is called as an artificial intelligence. Listen, hope you understood. If you find that any kind of technology tools or technology device or any software or hardware, it's supporting the sense, think, act capabilities. If that particular tool having this capability, it's called as an artificial intelligence. Hope you are getting this meaning of the A. So those are getting this meaning of A, kindly respond as a emojis here. There is an emojis, kindly respond. Even you can respond as a emojis. Right. So I'm not directly move to the main course of my presentation. So I request all to respond because they're sitting in the meeting. I mean, online meeting in the evening after a long time. I mean, the evening time isn't that much of easy. I want to be entertaining you. That's the reason I'm asking this kind of questions. Sorry, I'm going to disturb you a little bit. Yes. Now I just introduce the term AI powered research. What is AI powered research? This is a definition of AI powered research. If you want to just note note this definitions. So very simple definitions. AI powered research refers, this is a key term, use of AI tools, right? I'm using the term use of artificial intelligence tools and techniques. It may be techniques also. It may be tools or any techniques to enhance the data analysis, particularly doing the data analysis, helping you. Similarly, it may be helping to automate a task in the case of research and generate insights, right? So if you're asking this, what may be research question for this, what may be a education implication for this study, then it may be give all kind of such a relevant answer for you. Okay. Therefore, if any AI tools or a techniques help to enhance your data analysis, automate task or generate insight, or any kind of research was helping to do this, then it is called as an AI powered research. Any doubts in the term AI powered research? Hope you are getting this AI powered research. And what by the AI powered research? Thank you, Nirisha. I request all to be engaged by yourself through this kind of emojis. Yes, next AI powered research. In the case of AI powered research, is going to help in different way. We analyze the research paper in superhuman speed. I'm just going to introduce some of tools. Is going to work like 100 times of human being. So because when you ask some prompting or questions to the normal people, they can take at least 5 to 6 seconds to give the responses. But in the case of AI world, it's give the response very fast, very fast. That's the reason they use the word superhuman speed. I request all to be please mute. Sorry for
notebook ఉంటుంది.
Yes, next one, the fastest research platform ever, because we are going to find some of the tools. This is going to look like work in say very fast tool, and it's like a single seconds or single few minutes you may get a wonderful insights about what you're asking the prompting to the that particular tools. So these are things we are going to discuss, and similarly I'm going to focus on some of search engines is going to help for your research. And in what we means, we need to find some of the tools and some of the reviews related to a specific area. And particularly when you like to, there is a difference between the normal search engine with a search engine. For example, we are using the Google Scholar as a search engine, like a meta search engines. When you ask this, I mean, just if you're typing a key term, it lists a lot of article. The problem is not give the summary. If you want to know the summary, you need to be opening each article and then you can explore it. But now we are going to introduce I'm going to introduce some of tools. Is give a lot of summary report for you. Yeah, now we have, sorry, now exactly now 6:51. I'm directly moving to my demo screen. Yes, hope you're seeing my screen. So listen, this is like eye-opener session only. I'm going to list out more than 20-25 tools today, right? And the tool which is more comfortable for you, you can use it, because I'm just sharing my experience, the way I am using it. Okay, just you can think whether these tools might be useful for your research basis. Then you can try to use it. Okay, there is no thumb rule that you can compulsory use it. It's like your what is that? You can feel that if you felt that it's good for your subject specialization, you can go with this. And because some of the tools, the tool which I'm going to study, everything's a resource basis, but there will be a limitation for all the tools. Okay, because I'm talking about all the tools in a free basis only. Even this, all the tools is available in a premium version, like a paid version also. But all the tools which I'm going to focusing, there will be limited versions only. And first to focus, I am talking about some of the tools related to summary, the article summary, right? It's going to helping for writing a second chapter like review of literature, even for your review work as part of your article writing. You are writing the literature for this may be helping you. I'm just showing the term, the tool is called Elicit.com. Elicit.com. This is an interface. It is a very simple interface. So this interface, the first time user kindly log in with your Google account. Then after you are getting this kind of interface. So here the advantage, you can ask the questions. I mean, you can type your research question or you can type your research variable. There's another option, even you have some PDF file, some articles which you already downloaded. That article summary also you want, you can go to the extract this options, like extract data from PDF. This is another options. And suppose you don't have any PDF file or any kind of article, you want to know the list of concepts, go to the list of concepts. Just to type the list of concepts. From this is going to list out the informations. All the information only for the research basis, not in like a Google. Normally the Google when type, no, it lists out a lot of things, even is not relevant to the research. These are things may be shown in the Google. I'm talking with Google, not a Google Scholar. But here it's very focusing on only, yeah, Nayak, I will share this PPT, don't worry about this. So here, this tool's very much good for the all the research community, particularly when you like to, when you prepare a systematic review or meta-analysis review, this kind of things might helping you. Yes, now we can see this. I'm just going to type here. I mean, I like to do the research in the area of gamified learning. So I'm just typing as a gamified learning. So what is the advantage for this tool? I'm just showing this. Yeah, when you type a gamified learning strategy, it's going to list out a one list out the article which is in a Scopus or Web of Science database or some of standard database article only list out here. And apparently you may get the summary of top 4 articles. You can see this. Are you able to find out this? There's a top 4 summary of the papers. You may find this. And just like, for example, when you're writing as a article-based review, you can use this mode only. It's not like for each paragraph one article. Normally, in the case of dissertation, we're writing different way. For the article preparation, we're writing different way. So this might be helpful for the article preparations, especially for review or in the introduction part. And the other options, you can see this when you scroll down, you are finding this article, the developing a theory of gamified learning, that abstract summary. Normally, when you go with the Google and all, there will be a PDF file or we can find the abstract. When you open the PDF file also, we can get the abstract. Even the Google Scholar, we can find the abstract of the article. But we cannot find the abstract summary because the abstract may be 300 words or 400 words. When you read this only, when you read this abstract only, you can be able to know that what is the concept they're discussing this. But here, they given us an abstract summary. So they given us an abstract summary, not in abstract. For the abstract itself, they're given the summary. So this, and it get very easy to categorize whether this article may be useful for our researcher or not. If you're not useful, kindly, what is that? Tell me this kind of article. So this way, this one is very much what is that, useful for the researcher because giving very short notes about about this particular abstract. And other options, there is an add column also. You can see the right side. There is an add column. Yeah. So in this add column, we have the option called main findings, methodology, intervention. Sir? Yes, please.
Sir, I have doubts, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, can we get the summary for the paid paper, paid channels?
You are talking about, I mean, Madam,
is it
most of the
possible?
page, no, most of the page journal, you're talking about page and open access or in a closed access. So even the page journalism, sir, even in the case of page journal, you can get this abstract, right? You may get the abstract, not in the whole paper, right? Not
Yes,
the
sir.
full paper. So
Yes, sir.
here, this and database, this Elicit having connection with some database like the Scopus Web of Science. So which are the articles freely available? I mean, like open access only is listed out there, right?
250 ரூபா கட்டணும் சார் 204 தியாகுன்னு ஒருத்தர் சார்
Hello. Yeah, so please, I request all to mute. Sir, these are the databases, as already mentioned, have the connection with all kind of databases, right? So when the particular databases, that particular article is free level, like open access, automatically maybe give this entire things. Even you can find this DOI number, PDF file, everything you can find from this. Suppose it's a closed access journal. The journal never give this, the entire article, only the abstract you can find this, the methodology you can able to find. You cannot find the entire thing based on this journal, okay? But you can, most of the closed access also, you can find this abstract. No, this is more than enough not to check on this, because normally we are writing this review only from the abstract only, most of the cases. If you need it, that's you can categorize. If you need only the full article based only, you can, what is that? Avoid this kind of only the abstract based things you can avoid. You can go with only fully article, fully PDF based articles.
Sir, I have another doubt, sir. Is there any tools to find out whether the content is taken from the AI or not?
It is, there's a lot of tools are available. I'm just listed at the end. Please, I request at the end, you can ask the questions.
Okay.
Because now I'm discussing about summary, automatically maybe, direct to the other things, okay? Surely I'll give the answer for all the questions which you're going to ask by the end. So we have the tool like Zero GPT. Even the Turnitin is going to give this answer for the case of AI detector or not. Okay, so we have a lot of tools related to the plagiarism detector itself. I'm just showing this tool name if you want to just go through this. We have the tool as part of the plagiarism check is called Zero GPT. AI cheat bot, then GPT minus, GPT zero, copy.ai, Trinco, free AI paraphrasing tool for that name is called phrase. Like this, plenty of tools are available to check this AI plagiarism detector. I'm talking about the free basis. Even the Zero GPT is helping for 15,000 characters. It's a free basis. Okay, I'm just doing the demo. Don't worry. We have 3 days time. Okay. Yeah, I'm just moving to my, I'm just moving to this. Now you can see this, the other advantage of this, you can see the add column. So we have the summary, major finding methodology. Suppose I want to know the main findings of the research, this particular article which is listed. When you click this main findings, I can get one more column. This column is giving this main findings. Listen, suppose if you want to know the main findings in the old way of you looking into the summary, you can download this article or you can view this article. You have to read by yourself. After reading only, you can be able to know that what is the major findings. Okay, because in the case of abstract, you can find only the only few findings, not the entire findings may be listed. In the case of abstract, but here you can see this the entire major findings. And suppose I want to know the outcome they measure, like it's nothing but the dependent variable which they measure. When I click this, now that the issue with this, the free options, it giving only the 4 column only. It's giving the only 4 column. Now I get this outcome also. So now the outcomes, what they mention in the case of this article. Suppose I want to go with the further article, you can go with the load mode. It's going to list out the other sets of article, other set of article. So I hope you are seeing this, the way it's helping for you. So now the advantages here, there is no need to read the entire article. For example, if you like to read one article, it takes at least a whole day. But you can see this, I'm finding nearly 15 article summary very fastly, like the instant seconds I get into this, and just check it whether it will be good for your research. You can use this one, otherwise you can skip, you can go to the other articles. So this way you can use it, and as already mentioned, there is a limitation of this. When you click this upgrade, you can find out this limitations. So I'm just showing this that the free basis, how much is going to helping for you. I'm using only for free versions only. The free versions, you can go with the n number of what is that search. You can go with the n number of search. All the search is free only. Unlimited summaries of 4 papers. For example, even it may be listed 100 article, 200 article also, but it gives only 4 articles summary only for the free basis. Unlimited chat with 4 papers. Suppose you want to chat, you want to get some answer from the AI, we can ask only 4 questions. And if you want to extract, suppose you are uploading one file, based on this, you want to extract the data or extract the informations, it's supporting maximum per month 10 files only. So you can add 2 columns because basically it's give the 2 columns. And if you like to add extra, means you have to add only 2 extra columns, altogether 4 columns only possible. So in the case of paid options, we have the different features there, but I request to go with a free one itself. Okay. Yeah, now I'm just explaining the tools called Elicit. This is one of the article summary tool, particularly to write a the literature review. And I'm just moving to the other set of tool. Yes. I'm going to introduce the tool name is called SciSpace, like typeset.io, typeset.io. The tool name is called typeset.io. The same like Elicit, the same features there, but apparently some other feature also there. So what are the feature is available? You can see this. This is a tool. It is called all-in-one AI tools. It is an all-in-one AI tools. What is called all-in-one? All kind of problems of your research, you can find the solution from this, because this tool having more functions. You can see the left side, there is an home button. When you keep this, you can find this much of option like chat with PDF. Suppose you're uploading one PDF file, if you like to ask some prompting questions, based on the prompting, the machine like to give the response. You go to the chat with PDF.
No, this is being recorded.
Madam, please, Falco, please kindly mute. I request those who are logged in now, joining now, kindly check with your audio. Yes, the literature review. Suppose you want to write a literature review, you can go with the literature review. AI write. Suppose you want to write an article or you want to write something with the use of AI, go with the AI writer. Find topics, paraphrase it. Now, previously we like to do the paraphrasing, we are using the Grammarly, right? Or in the case of a Qbot. But now this single tool having more features there. But Grammarly, in the case of Qbot, is only for the paraphrasing as well as the plagiarism detector only. But this tool is having plenty of features, even the citation generator. Extract data. So from uploading, it gives this some extract data, and AI detector. Even if you like to check this, that plagiarism of AI, we can check with this PDF to video. And the good thing is that this particular tool having a lot of extension. So you can install this add-on software to the Chrome extension. We can use directly from Chrome. Even the ChatGPT extension is there. So like this, plenty of way this tool helping you. That's the reason they made the tool as an all-in-one AI tools. And the good thing is that the pricing also is in Indian money. I'm just showing this. When you click the pricing also, you can see this. Particularly when you write to write in the, this is destination. Last 1 month you can use this because it's only the Indian-based money they restored this. How much per month you can know this, okay? But the free options, they given a lot of free options. Limited AI actions writer, limited chat papers PDF, limited literature research, standard model access only, limited. There is a limited only. Everything's a limited. You can see that, but they given all the options, but there will be a limited. There will be a number of characters, maybe a limit for this. So all the options, most of the options they provide, but it will be limited. But in the case of paid version, everything is unlimited. So that is the advantages. But especially when you write in Scopus article Web of Science, you can go with 1 month paid. It's up to you. Then you can plan for this because it's given a wonderful summary. As well as we can be able to export also. Suppose you like to use for the this one, like you are using a Jotaro array grammar, this one, no? Jotaro, or in the case of Mendeley. So if you want to import that this particular data into there, it's possible to do this. So all kind of things possible. And just showing some demo with this, right? And I'm just going to my home page. And the advantages, I'm just going to the search for a question. The same, like he can ask a research question or in a research variable. Here I'm asking a variable only, gamified learning, yes, and typing like this. When you go with the enter, is going to search the information from the different databases. Is list of, yeah, now you can see this. There is a list is giving to me. And the good thing that the SciSpace is no, you can see this. There is a 5-paper summary. Okay, the same like this one, but that Elicit is given only 4-paper summary, but this give the 5-paper summary. And you can see this, the wonderful summary report with the API citation. There is a citation. Are you able to see this paper citation? And good thing that this particular what is the platform, it helping go with the more number of columns. You can see this. I'm enable the column like insights, dependent variable, findings, research gap, methods used. So like this, supporting nearly 6 columns. So okay, 1 basically is given to 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So if you want to add another column, go to the another column like literature search, limitation, contribution, objectives of the research, future research, dependent variable, population sample, problem statement, which are the you want just to click, automatically that things may become. For example, the research gap, I don't need. You can close the research gap. Then if you like to go with this one, like objectives, click this objective. When you click the objectives, there is a new column emerge. From this, you can understand this objective. Basically, when you write the review, you need the objectives, you need a major findings. You must know the what is the independent variable. Suppose I want to know the dependent variable and just to close the independent variable because there is a limitation as I already mentioned. I'm clicking the dependent variable. When I click the dependent variable, you can understand what is the dependent variable of this study. So this kind of basic overview you may get into this.
குழம்பு கொஞ்சம் இருந்துச்சா?
Kalishwari madam, please. Okay, kindly mute. Yeah, so yes, I hope you are getting this the way it's helping to give the summary. Because the same thing, for example, a single article, the first article is C. If you want to know this, the insights of the article, findings, objectives, dependent variable, at least it takes half an hour or 1 hour time to explore this much of information in a single article. But now we may get some kind of overview immediately. So this overview may helping to go further about our review of literature. And here you can get this. Suppose you want to go with other format, APA, so bullet format, any format you want, you can go with this. Suppose you want to find only the PDF based article, click this PDF based article, right? You want to get only open. Sir, previously asking that, sir asking, no? Sir, whether any closed paid journals are available. You can option it given this paid one also, but it's only, what is that? Only abstract and major findings only you can find. The entire article cannot be accessed. But we can, if you like to go with only the open access journal, click this only open access. It's going to list only the open access journals only. So this way it's giving some kind of filter options. It giving some filter options to explore the things. And as I already mentioned, this free version is working with the standard, format, like a standard quality only. If you paid, you can get the high quality. So you can escape from the plagiarism also sometimes, okay? So if you go with high quality, okay. Now you can see that there's a PDF version and you can get the summary and we may get the broadcast of this also. You can see this number of citations, six citations, everything you can find it from here, right? So this tool is very good tool for to write here, summary the reviews very fastly. Suppose you want to go more, go to the load more papers, you may get this. Right, this is for the review purpose I'm telling. This only for the papers. Suppose I don't need papers, I want to write a concept map, I want to write a concept for my first chapter. What you can do? There is an option called topic, and previously I went only the paper options. The paper options only finding only the research-based things only. But it's purely related to the findings, objectives, this kind of thing. Suppose instead of that I want to write some kind of introductions. For this, based on topic, I want to get some introduction. Go to the topic. When you go to the topic and just ask the same in a gamified learning, now you can see what's going to happen. Previously, I searched with the papers. Now you can see this is find the relevant paper, finding the topics in paper, finding topics from external sources, extracting unique topics, and preparing your final things. Now you can see this. I may get a topic, the same like this is called IEEE format. IEEE format. Swagatika, please mute. Yes. And you can see the gamification educations, the sources is available. Duolingo, then every article with the parallel you can get this. Okay. So how these are the tools actually. The gamified tools like this is an introduction. Duolingo is one tool, and they given how they done it this. And Classcraft, the citation, who done the Classcraft based. Khan Academy, game-based learning, and behavior design. This is helping to write a chapter 1. Okay. Hope you are getting this, how it's helping for you. The same thing if you want to find, particularly you can see this, the citations. If you like to write a single paragraph in 5 chapters, we need to spend more time to write. But here it gives some kind of overview. Okay,
Sir,
which are the things?
sir.
Sagai, ma'am, please.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, here I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Can we take as such, whatever it shows, can we take as such or we have to paraphrase this, sir?
Madam, and that I already mentioned this. Okay. This you can treat it as a assistant only. Don't take it a master. Don't copy and paste. Okay.
That's why I'm asking.
Don't relate. This is only giving an overview. What you can do if you want to overcome this kind of plagiarism issues, better paraphrase by yourself. Okay, it's give the overview because instead of reading 100 articles, it gives very fastly that overview. So better you can use this and kindly do the paraphrasing from you. I'm just showing this, whether it's showing this plagiarism, just for a small demo. I'm just doing this. There is a tool. I'm just taking this paragraph. Okay, there is a tool. The name is called for paraphrasing tool. We have some tool, Zero GPT. I'm going to Zero GPT, but this tool is free. But only the problem, the advertisement. So and just see, this is helping for 15,000 character. It's 15,000 character checking and just pasting this. I'm going to the detect text. When I go to the detect text, are you able to see the map?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is showing the 100%. Okay, it is showing this 100%. Suppose I want to minimize it. For this also, I'm just introduce one tool. If you want to reduce the plagiarisms, there is a tool that humanized tool is there. I'm just introducing the tool. That is called the tool name is called stealthwriter.ai. Stealthwriter.ai. And this is a tool is going to bypass your plagiarism issue, bypass the plagiarism issues, particularly AA plagiarisms. So if you have AA content, if you want to humanize the AA content, you can use this. For example, I already copied this and just to paste the same content here. I'm checking this, the AA, okay. If you go to check AA, it's showing this plagiarism, but I'm just going to this one, okay. Slide circle and target zone, okay. Verifies a human. Okay. So it's checking whether I'm human or not. Okay, now you can see this. So it's showing the 100%. Are you able to see this 100%? Right. Now I'm just going to humanize this. You can see when I click the humanize. I'm just logging this. Sorry, I'm just logging. We need a login for this. I'm just logging with my Google account. This is a wonderful tool to humanize your things. So I'm going to the tool names for Stealthwriter. Okay. Now same thing, humanize. And previously I posted the same thing. Okay. Close. And just to paste this. And you can see there is a Nijan AI. So these are the small, faster, capable bypassing AI detector. It's like a bypassing AI detector. And go with the Nijan 2.0. Just click the humanize. When I go to humanize, it gives the another kinds of paraphrasing. Now you can see this humanized text 100%. 100% human writer. What I'm going to do, I'm just copying this. I'm just copying and going back to the same Zero GPT. Go to the same Zero GPT. Yeah, I'm going to Zero GPT. I'm pasting this, the humanized content, and go to the detect text. And go to the detect text. What do you find from here? What do you find from here?
0%.
0%, right? Even if you use some other tool like this one, like Qlbot or Grammarly, you cannot escape from this. Even the Qlbot Grammarly also showing is a plagiarism. That's also A only. But this is a wonderful tool. It overcomes it bypassing the entire A issues. Okay. So the tool name is called Stealthwriter. Stealthwriter.a. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So hope you are getting this because as I already mentioned this, there is a thumb, I already give some disclaimer. This tool as a only assistant. Okay. But I just do the demo how to do this. So hope you are getting this, the way it's giving this response very fastly, right? This helping to write an article. Yes, now I'm just moving to the other set of tool for this. Yes. The next tool which I'm going to discuss is called Avidnote. Okay, most of people know familiar with this. And what is the capability of this tool? No, this tool's like A to Z. Suppose you want to write a method. Suppose you have the title. You want to know what is the research question for this. What is the hypothesis, suggest hypothesis? What is the research gap for this? Just to give the title and you can create, it's suggesting a wonderful research hypothesis, research question. Suppose you want to write something, write anything, write literature review, write introductions, write method, write discussion, write results, write conclusions, write abstract. For all the writing purpose may be helping. And similarly for read purpose, proofreading, explain this, write opposite view, critique this, summarize text for this is helping. Suppose I like to go with the publish, research proposal, research, for future research, plan my study, suggest research, suggest journal, for different purposes helping. And data, suppose you want to do some kind of analyze the data, analyze the interview, like if you like to go with some kind of qualitative code, you can go with this. And some other education purpose, like a plan my lesson, grade this student, solve the problem, some other general aspects, translate, ask this test, research meeting, and this one. This much of features are available in this. This much of features are available with this. 1 minute. Yes, I'm just, yeah, sorry for this. Yes. So listen, I'm just going to this true demo for this. I'm just going to the method. For example, I have one topic. That topic, I want to get some idea about what may be a research question, what may be a hypothesis for this, right? So go to the method and type here. You can select this one, okay? So which you want, I can go to the research question. Click the research question. And after this, there is a describe your study. You can give this title or the variable and just give the title like effectiveness of game-based in gamified learning strategies on enhancing the academic performance and the learning engagements of secondary school students. Okay, this is my topic. So hope you are getting this. I just randomly typing on topic. So I want to get some insights about what kind of what is this like research question may be suited for this. When you click this, you can have creativities in like average or high, and just go with high. And the number of results, you can give 1 results or 10 results. You can go with this and just go into 1 results or 2 results. And maximum number of length, if you want, you can increase it. And generate a text. When you click generate text, you can see this. You are getting a wonderful research question. Are you able to see the research question? It's like it gives some kind of idea for the first questions. How do you generalized learning strategy impact the academic performance of secondary school students? The second one, what is the relation between gamified learning strategy and level of learning engagements? Third one, which specific elements of gamified learning are most effective in enhance academic performance? There is a 4th question. There is a results also they provide. So kindly respond. How do you feel about this? It's helping to generate a what is this research question. So based on this, it's like an idea. Based on this idea, you can create some other ideas. Like you can take this consideration of this idea, you can generate by yours. You can add some more for your ideas in the end. And just going to the other one, you can see the same thing. So the previous I generated a research question, but I just copy the same that title only same. Now I like to go with this one. Okay, suppose I like to go back to the this one like research I want to go there this one research gap, because most of people can confuse what kind of research gap I can list out. So I'm just going to the method. In this method, so we may have a lot of reviews, but this particular reviews, which are the way we can highlight the research gap, we have confusion. Just to click this, paste this title, and just paste the same title and go to the generated text. You can see this is giving the wonderful research gap with a different perspectives, with a different headings. Potential research gap, longitudinal studies, diverse learning environment, subject specific, technology integration, comparative, emotional, impact of critical thinking, problem solving, parental involvement, ethical consideration. Hope you are getting this. And everything's relevant to the topic which I posted. For example, emotional social factor. The emotional social dimension of gamified learning, such as collaboration among the peers, impact competition, are often overlooked. Research could explore how these factors influence the learning outcomes and well-beings. Hope you are getting this, how it's generating a what is that? This much of research question as well, the gap identifications. So that's the reason I suggest this tool. A single tool may helping to give some kind of overview about your research work. Suppose you want to go with a suggest a hypothesis, you want to get some kind of literature search, you can go this. I'm just moving to the right. Suppose I want to write a proposal. Okay, we have some doubts. Sir, I want to get a proposal. Go to the publish. So I want to get a research proposal. Go to the research proposal and the same, and just planning this. This is my variable. Okay, and just typing this. My intention to get a research proposal, right? This is like an idea only. As I already mentioned, this is only idea. Kind of use the idea, don't copy and paste it, right? Just because something's better than nothing. according to that law. So here we may get some idea. Kindly use this idea, and you can add your ideas and create your one. You can start to write your own. And go to generated text. You can see what's going to happen. Yes, now we are getting the title. You are getting the abstract, introductions, objectives, literature review. With the citation, you can see these are citations with the citation, and intervention, expected outcomes, significance of the study, conclusions. So how do you feel about this? How do you feel about this? But they given some bit of warning also. There's a disclaimer always. So kindly ensure whether the things which is produced by correct. Okay. So I request all to respond. How do you feel about this? The tool. So yes, now we can see this. We may get introductions, abstract, other things. So, okay. And we have the options: export as a Word document, export as a PDF, export as a text document. Even you can copy text and save document. These all the options are available. These all the options are available. You can do the formatting also. We have, okay. So these are the options are available. Okay. Now I'm just moving to the other options. And just moving to the Deepali Devi, I'm demonstrating with the free feature only, because per day, they given nearly 4,000 words as a balance. I mean, they provide this 4,000 words. Okay. So if you want to upgrade plan, you can look onto this. You may get some kind of idea about the plan, right? So I just click this. It's showing this, the tool which I do the demonstration, everything. Okay, it's asking the login. I'm just skipping this. Okay, it takes time. Okay, I'm just doing this because every per day it's given this, not per day, per week something is 4,000 credit is providing, right? So if you look onto this upgrade plan, you may get some idea what is that things providing. Yeah. Yeah, I will share this link. Okay, the end. Okay, don't worry. I already compiled my web on the website. I will share this all the link. Okay. And just going back to the, once again, the AI templates. So we have this much of AI templates. So when we can use, where you can use, kindly look onto this, because each, for example, when you go to the right, we have some other option, literature review. Suppose you want to write a literature review, you can use it. You want to go to the right discussions. Suppose you have doubts how to write a discussion and how to write abstract, how to write a conclusion, you can use this. Similarly, we have the other options to explain, opposite, this all things, proofreading, summarize text, publish it. We can already show this, review the text, suggest title. And suppose you want to, yeah, these are the data, interview questions, survey questions, and analyze the data, analyze the interview, generate a CSV file, even you can like to generate a CSV file, code of interview, interview. These are things like what is the qualitative research, they given this kind of things. Analytic data framework. One day I'm just focusing on the data analysis aspects. Okay, today I'm focusing on the summary. Surely one day, I mean, the next day, tomorrow I'm focusing on the how we can use this kind of tool for data analysis and visualization. Tomorrow I'm focusing. Today I'm focusing only in the case of summary, article summary aspects. Okay. And so now this for education. So look on to this. This tool is a wonderful tool. So I'm just moving to the other tool. So we are discussing about Avidnote tool, and the next tool which I like to do the demo. Answer this is one of my favorite tool. Answerthis.io. Answerthis.io. Okay. Why in the sense, especially when you like to write an article. Listen, Jagrit Patel, please kindly don't use this annotates, please. Kindly stop annotate. Kindly stop annotate. Okay. 1 minute, sorry. Yes. Okay, now we can see this. Why it's helping for us. I'm just showing this. We have the options like ask, answer this, chat PDF, even the extract data we can upload, and we can ask the extract data and search papers. We can search the paper. We already discussed about different search paper and all, but I'm just showing this options. We have the review options like library, search. These are the pro options, but we have some free options, this much only. I'm just going to this option. Okay, extract data. Okay, when you go to the extract data, It asks me to upload file. I have one article and just uploading this article here. So I have one article, I just uploaded. There's some bibliometric article. No, I'm just adding one article. I just compiled this article recently. Yeah, this is like a PDF file. Yes. Desktop, I have an article. Yeah, one structure location modeling article and just uploading this article here. Okay. Now I just uploaded. Now let's see what's going to happen. Extract the data from PDF, automatically put up the information, give some kind of, okay, papers uploaded successfully. Okay, fine. So I'm just moving. Paper uploaded successfully. Just showing this. I think it's asking the payment. Just showing. Still uploading. Yeah, paper uploaded, but it seems 8 documents uploaded, line by export results possible. Okay. So these are the features are available for the free features. You can see this. 6 title, it is 8 documents upload line by line, and just subscribe this. Yes, now the same why it's going to be, yeah, I'm just going to this option. Go this options. Chat with PDF options. I'm using chat with PDF. So we can go with some any kind of chatting. Now you can see this, the paper. Please mute, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, hope you are seeing this is an article. This is an article. I want to chat. Okay, I want to know what is that article. Okay, so provide a article summary. I'm asking this prompting. So I want to know what is that article related to this. Suppose it's given this answer, and parallelly, if you have any doubts about one particular area, just to select it based on the selections, give the answer also. So now you can see this, the provided articles, it's given this. Okay. It's give the overview. This study is written by Kavita and Joshi sir. Okay. So it gives the overview of this article. It gives the overview of the article, and you can give this that citation also. Okay. Suppose I want to know that I have some doubt about one portion. Just select this portion. When you select this portion, it's automatically explain the text. You can see there's some explain text. Okay. The particular portion is going to explain. Yeah. So when I select this portion, no, suppose I have a doubt about this portion. When I select this, you can see this down. There is another things. Well, was this answer? Yeah. Now it is explaining this. Are you able to see this? So wherever you have the doubt, just you can select this particular. Suppose you are not able to understand this explanation of the that particular descriptions. Just to select this. So wherever you're selecting, suppose I want to have the doubt about the research objectives. Okay, and just selecting these objectives. This subject I have the doubt. Okay, what is the object is talking about? Just to select the article. The problem is yeah. Okay, there's a problem with selection. I think this is an article. It's not read by the. Yeah, I'm just writing this paragraph. Now you can see this is going to give this another overview about this one and the explain it text. After selecting this, click this explain a selected text. It giving the another response for this. So it's thinking now. So this way we can go with the interaction with this. Even based on these interactions, you can understand what the article is discussing. You can start to write here reviews and all. Now you can see this. It gives some overview about this particular selections. So it may be helping for you. So the tool is called answer this, because whenever you have doubts about some objectives or research findings, just you can ask the prompting. I'm just going to add the other article. So just going to extract data now. We can try this. Similarly, we can answer this, any kind of question you can ask here. I'm just going to the another set of article, not A. This one I'm just moving. Yes. Okay, SLR. Okay, I'm having some SLR article. I'm adding one SLR article here. Okay, just added one SLR. Yes, we can see this. This is an SLR. Okay, systematic literature review. I just uploaded this article. Yes, I think this is not working. I mean, this options we paid, it seems. Okay, only this options working. Answer this, and chat with PDFs working. And the similar way you can ask the questions here. So suppose I want to know gamified learning, gamified education in higher education. Okay, I'm asking this question in higher education, right? So minimize citations, submit research. So we have some other feature also. Now you can see this is going to find a different analysis, different sources is analyzing, and you may get a wonderful outputs in the down. Okay, so 1% of analyzing, 2%. We may getting a first is asking getting the sources from different sources, and after this analyzing the key themes and they synthesize the information and finally give the complete results. It finally give the complete results. So particularly it might be helping to write a research article. It gives some kind of overview about that concepts as well as the reviews. The tool name will answer this. So it takes time. So meanwhile, I'm just opening the other tools also because it takes little time. There is other tools called OpenRead. OpenRead. This I'm just reading. OpenRead.academy. I'm just sharing this. Sorry. I'm sharing this also in the chat box. So for the best tool for writing a research paper for the beginners, better you can go with the Elicit or consensus. I'm talking about one more tool, consensus. That's two tools may be good because the user interface is very simple. The user interface is very simple. And this is an interface of the OpenRead. The paper have you been so powerful. Here also you can upload an article. There's an option to upload or AI search. You can go with search because we already discussed about different AI search. I'm just going with this AI in medical science. Okay, medical education. I want to know this area, AI in medical education. When I go with this, it's automatically going to find a different database of informations. You can see this all are research article and you are getting the citation. This is an answer by vote. This is one chatbot. The vote is in chatbot. The same like Elicit, it's working now. The same like Elicit, right? And the good feature which I already discussed, we can go with some kind of discussion with this, the other options. We have the more options also. Just look onto this. I'm just going to the home page, OpenRead. We have the option called upload. You can upload a paper and go for a discussions. You can upload a paper and go for a discussion. So still, now you can see this, the previous tool which I do know, answer this. Now you can see this, how it's visible, how it's showing this answer. And here we can add the new columns and just add this. Now this is a title, gamified education, higher education. Actually, this article written by AI now, the entire things. Introduction, I got the rise of gamified education with the proper citation. I have good citations. You have all the references available in the site. Okay, the theoretical framework and definition gamification. You can see this, the gamification design and implementations. It is not read by one or two articles, read by more than 25 articles, and after this started to writing. Okay. And you can see the empirical evidence, particularly those who write a research article newly, kindly use this tool, like answer this, because particularly for writing introductions, it might be helping you. The future direction and conclusions, comparative analysis of gamifications. Now you can see the wonderful sites with the proper citations. Okay, more than 31 citations is there. And Gen Z learners with gamifications. See how much is there. So these are the citations. You can see 33 references there. 33 references. All the references having the DOI number. Like all the references are DOI number. You can see. It's like very authentic sites only. It seems like it's going to find. Suppose you want to go more about this, just do this, it lists this. I mean, it's going to list, view this, the full view of the references. This is in Chicago format. If you want to go to the API format, go to the API format, it's going to the API format. Suppose you want to MLA, select the MLA. All kind of format, we can easy to modify. So you can see this when you go to the Chicago, automatically the Chicago comes. The citation, you can see when I go to the APA, automatically the APA format. So normally we may be struggled with this in the case of Zotero or in the case of Mendeley, we are what is it? Having a lot of trouble while using this kind of citation things, but it's automated giving this overview. So how do you feel about this? Kindly respond. And this right side, you are getting all the sources, It will I mean, I'm just do the demo with the free tools only, not any paid one. Listen, I'm doing the demo with only free tools only. So this much of options is available in the case of answerthis.io. So you can see this. And we already discussed about the tools called OpenRead. The same, like you can upload a PDF file and we can go with any discussions. So here we have drop and drop the PDF file. I'm just opening one tool, one bibliometric analysis. And click open. Okay, I'm just opening bibliometric analysis now. So this is a bibliometric analysis. After uploading, the same, like we can go with any kind of discussion. Suppose you have some doubt about the particular points, or what may be a further analysis possible for this, what may be a further recommendation of this study. So all kind of things we may get into this. Yeah, hope you are getting this. This is an article I uploaded. Okay, this is a basic informations, right? So the summary report I'm getting. This is an article. The main article which I uploaded this. The basic summary I got this. Are you able to see this? The basic summary. Suppose I want to know the related paper graph. When I click the related paper graph, so I want to know the similar related paper. Are you able to see this? These are related papers. This particular article, how is connected with other papers? See this wonderful. Suppose I want to read this article, I just click this, it leads to another website to read this. Hope you are getting this. So wonderful diagram. So this particular article, it is 28.94% of similarity is there. You can see this, the highest similarity is happened this article, 33.25, 33.30. This is the way we can find some similarity work. Particularly the people are writing a bibliometric analysis, no? So, and you know this, how they each papers are connected with other papers. Further, this kind of graph might be helping you a lot. So it's a wonderful diagram. You can take a screenshot, I can download also, okay? And suppose I want to know that paper Q&A, you can go to the paper Q&A. If you want to take some notes, you can go to the notes. Hope you are getting the left side is an article. The right side, we are getting this basic informations as well as the diagram related papers. It helping to do the further overview about your reviews. For example, I want to collect the review based on this particular article. Then these are the other sets of research articles. Please, madam, please mute. Please mute yourself. Yeah. Yes, hope you are getting the tool OpenRead, and just move to the other setup tool. This like eye-opener session, I request all to use regularly, then only you can understand the tools, the other features, and just listed only basic features of the tool. And there is a tools called Paper Guide, paperguide.ai. The same, like I'm just sharing the link. This is called paperguide.io. So it is giving this 10 prompting, okay. So per month it seems, okay. And chat with PDF, a search, literature review. Suppose I want to write a literature review of this area of this one, okay. Game-based learning. So they two minutes. I just connected with my Honor device. There's issue with this internet. So 2 minutes. Just connected with my other device. So sorry for this. Small issues. Just connected with this. Yes. Yeah. Hope am I audible now? Am I audible now? Yes, fine. Sorry, the tools. Yes, now we can see this. There's a tools called paper guide, the same like the previous one. We can ask any prompting. So like you can ask the questions. Similarly, chat with PDF, AI search is the literature reviews that. After and similarly, we have the reference manager and AI writing assistants. These are the features are available and just go with the research assistants. So we have to add in new documents. Okay, what are you writing? So based on the prompting and generate outline. Okay, I'm just giving this game-based learning. So weak prompting. So provide more content. Okay, game-based learning. Just going with this game elements. Merits, demerits. And yeah, these are things I like to get. And what is that format of reference? You can select the APA or MLA, which format you want, you can select this format. After this, go with the generate outline. Generate outline. So it's going to generate the outline now. Yes, let's get the generate outline. Now we can see how fast it gives the outline. Because if you like to write this kind of outline, at least takes 1 hour to read a lot of article, and finally we compile all the article in a one paragraph. It's not that much of easy. But now we can see it's finding a different article. Now we can see this introductions. It gives some kind of overview about this. These are the outlines. Okay, these are the outlines. Then add outlines. These are the outlines provide. Based on the outlines, is giving this information. Okay. So these are the outlines. Then after that, you can go with the next level. Okay, 156 words. Then this way we can get some kind of idea which are the sub content. Like when you write a first chapter, we doesn't know what are the content we need to add. This gives some kind of idea about this. And we have the check pledge as a reference manager. These are the options also there. Kindly look onto this. This is tool is called paperguide.ai. Paperguide.ai. I'm just sharing this link. I think I shared it. Okay, paperguide.ai. So it gives some kind of guide for what we can do the further. This kind of idea is giving us. And another tool which I like to do the demo now, consensus, the same like Elicit. But this interface somewhat unique. Is very simple user interface. So find the best science and faster. Very fast is give the responses. Suppose I need to do the research in the area of this one. Okay. Stimulated learning. Okay. Simulation. Okay. Simulation based teaching. Okay. Simulated based teaching. I want to know this. And when you type itself, automatically give this, can simulated based teaching improve the medical? It gives some kind of this is question also. But if you want, you can go with this service just to click this. So when you click this, it giving this overview, the same like Elicit. And we may get a wonderful research. Now we can see this. We can get basically we can get what kind of article is this. Suppose you want only the experimental method, you can get only the experimental method, because we can easily to know that this particular article is meta-analysis. This is an RCT format. This is a systematic review article. This is a normal research. This is a systematic review. This is an RCT. Then this is a high cited article and medical of journal. You can see all kinds of views, information like meta information we may get it. It's called literature review. And the good thing is that you may get a wonderful introduction part. It is available. Introduction part is available with the IEEE format of citations. Okay, you can copy and check with this plagiarisms. Like give some kind of overview about this. And if you want to share, we have the share and copy page link. And we can copy this. So we have the option called copy text, and we can paste it. You can copy with citations. These are the options. Suppose you want to go with the filter. We have some filter options. Like you want to get only this year 2023, 24, which year you want, you can select this. Okay. And publish since which year. Okay. And open access. So I'm just going to 2018. Suppose you want to get only open access, click the open access. And citation you want, suppose you want to get this method, you want to go with the specific method. Whether you want systematic review or objection study or case report, which you want to just select this. And the control studies means that survey may experiment method. Human studies, sample size if you want to fix based on sample size, you want to locate the article. And suppose you want to go with specific, like you want to get only the Q1 journal or Q2 journal or Q3 journal article only, you can select this. So all kind of filter is available. Even there is a country-wise filter. Suppose you want only the Indian article, yeah, or foreign article. Like we are doing this, the previous doing this systematic review work, no? They'll use the Scopus database, they're doing some kind of including, excluding criteria. The same way we can fix this criteria here. So like which journal you want, which kind of quarterly you want, which country article you want, everything you can fix it based on this, give this the report. And after that, you can start it to working a systematic review work. So this is a tool called consensus.app. Consensus.app. Okay, hope you are getting this. And I just moved to the other one, other set of things. Yes. So now I'm talking about this one, Semantic Scholar. This is a wonderful AI, what is the search engines? The same like the previous talking about Elicit, no? So here, the AI powered research tool for scientific literature. It's only purely meant for the scientific literature, like literature purpose only. I'm sharing this link. You can go with a research question, or in the case of variable or objectives, what you want, you can search from here. Okay. So I'm just going to this area of called, yeah, this is meta learning. I'm talking about the talks of meta learning. I'm just going to this area, meta learning. So when I go with this, I can find the different articles in the different databases. Now you can see meta learning. Okay. So meta learning, meta learning, meta learning. We can see this PDF related article. So all the articles is Springer. You can see this, that where is that publisher? When you click this, you can find the publisher also. It's automatically, this an archives available. This an archives available. So like this, if you like go to the second page, you can go to the second page. Here also other filter options that same like the previous one we just discussed. Suppose you want to go with this specific field study. I want to go with only education, go to the education. These are the filters, okay? Advanced search. Suppose you want to go with only the specific like 2005 onwards, go to 2005 onwards. This is another search result. You want only the PDF version, go to the PDF version. Suppose you want to go only the specific journal, go to the specific journal. We can find this when the archive is 1750 articles, IEEE 760. Suppose class 1 is 1250. So which you want, you can select this and you can export this article. So this way, this particular tool is helping. Like it's giving you wonderful insights very fast. Like we can go with some kind of systematic review process with this kind of, because a lot of filter options there. So kindly look onto this. Is helping for you to write a literature review. Semantic Scholar, and other one which I like to discuss called Scholarcy and Scinapse. Okay, I'm just going one by one. Another one is called Scinapse, Scinapse.io. The same like the previously we are talking about typeset.io. The same like site spaces. This tool is having plenty of features. The same like expert finder, Scinapse trends, paper search, journal search, collections. Lot of features are available in the right side. And same like the previous one, you can see this tools like I'm sharing this new link. Okay. The same like find analytics, research insights, find a field experts. These are things we can able to get this. So in the Semantic Scholar, can we get this information tabular form? No, it's not getting like this. Okay. Thank you, Bhavana. It's working with some basic A only, not in the entire A. But in the case of a size space only, it gives the different tables, like different columns. So this is not be working in this case of things. If you want to get this kind of column, you can go with this Elicit or consensus. Consensus also, you may get some kind of this one, like there is called steady overview. When you click it, you can find this population sample, this kind of things you may find from this. So you can look onto this. We are better than the Google Scholar. You can see this. The thing is, they're putting we are better than the Google Scholar, right? So because working with the AI features, and you can type as a keyword. I'm just going to AI in higher education and AI in higher education. I just find out a lot of papers from here. You can see this paper. When you click this paper, automatically the right side, you are getting this top 300 experts found in, actually we can find this particular area who are the experts. We can find this, how many H index they have, we can find from this. Okay. So this is an good options are available. Suppose you want to go the newest or oldest, we can find this. But as already mentioned, there is a limitation. It listed only few articles only. If you like to go with so more articles, it's going to the, yeah, it gives a summary also. We can see this. Yes, fine. Okay. Some of the summary of this is showing this. Yeah, research fields. Yeah, now it's giving this analytical target summary trends. Yeah, you can find this, the summary of this particular area. Tasking this payment now. Okay. Once again, sorry for this. I just connected with once again the meeting. So 2 minutes and just connecting with this. Yeah, I'm taking nearly 10 more minutes. Maybe 10 more minutes. Yeah, so it's coming now. Okay, hope you are getting me. Sorry, my voice is clear. Just share this. Yes, I'm coming to this one. Okay. Yes. So now we are discussing Scinapse, and the next one which I like to discuss now, Scholarcy as well as the rapid Scholarcy. I'm just going to Scholarcy. This is called scholarcy.com. Okay, this is called article summarizer. Scholarcy is an article summarizer. This tool meant for the summary of this article. Okay, is helping to summarize this article. I share this link. The first time user, you can go with this login. You can either try for free directly. So login, or you can go to try for free. Yes, now you can see this. The good advantage here, we can drop the file and click the upload. We have the option like open access URL, or even you can import from this Jotaro. This is the option is there. What is the advantages? When you upload the article, we can get all kind of summary like key findings, objectives, method, research conclusions, analysis, all the things you may get in this. Just do the demo. It's like a wonderful view you may get in this. And just uploading one article and just sharing. Yeah, I'm taking this. One structure, this one. SLR one article and just uploading one SLR article. Yeah. So I just uploaded one SLR article. You can see this what's going to happen. Now it's tracking. So the data are imported. After that, you are getting the right side, the summary, all kind of things like snapshot, key findings, objectives, method, research, conclusions, key concept, even the research quality, everything's you get in this. Are you able to see the snapshot now? The key findings of this article, the objectives of the article, methods of the article, because instead of reading, it gives us all kind of overview and conclusions of the article and key concepts. These are the key concepts we're discussing. And these are the analysis. Okay, the research quality is fair. You can see this. The article, the research comparisons, build the exist methods. It's given some kind of analysis of the article also. The limitation, future work, the practical applications, study subjects, and study compliance, original text. Okay, it's giving this original text of the article. The entire article is showing this. How do you feel about this? That basic research. Once you upload it, give this all kind of summary. Even it's like instead of reading the entire thing, it gives the overview. Separately. What is the limitation? What is the future work? What are the practical application for this article? Everything written by the aides. So this is a very good tool for the people those who have started to write a research article. This is called scholarly. It's reduced the time because instead of spending a more time to read the article, if you use these tools, it gives the summary report very fastly. Okay. There is an tool is called Research Rapid. What is the advantage of this? It gives some similar kind of what is it, like similarity based some article maybe suggest to us, and you can upload any kind of article, and after this is going to find out different databases, some related articles with this. I'm just sharing this Research Rapid, and I already having a gamification folder. I already imported from the Zotero filled classroom. Suppose I want to do the new area, I can go to the new collection and create this. Okay. Suppose I want a new collection. I'm doing this new collection. I like to do the research in the area of A in education. Okay. A in education. So this area I want to do the research. And typing the collection, go with the enter. Okay. So the new collection is there. Then after this, if you want to add the paper, we have to add the paper through the Zotero, or you can search with this key terms. So I'm just going to the A in higher education, especially I'm going to the A in education. As I already know that import from Zotero's file possible, or upload possible, even the BibTeX file you can upload. And go to the A in higher education is going to identify a lot of articles from the different databases and selecting some other article from here. Okay, just add collections, add collections, add collections. I added some other collections from the different databases. Yes, now what I'm going to do, I'm just going back to the my display view of the Research Rapid. Hope you are seeing this. Is the article I just imported here through the search. Now I want to know how many similar kind of articles done by different people. And I click this, you can see this. When you click this, the selected papers, you are getting the similar work and the citation, thesis author, suggested author is suggesting. Suppose I want to know this person, this particular author article. When you click it, you can find that there is no similar work. So it's going to disturb. All reference citation. So just going to one by one. Now you can see this. This article having the 41 similar work. A reference is there. A citation. Suppose I want to know the similar work. When you click the similar work, you can see this. We may get a wonderful view, the similar work graph. Are you able to see the similar work graph? Like connected papers. How this paper is connected with other papers. We may get a wonderful things. Suppose you want to go to the last author, go to the last author. Suppose I don't need this kind of what is this, like circle based, like a network. Actually this is a network diagram. Suppose I want the timeline based on the year I want to know. When I click this timeline, based on the timeline it lists out this. Okay, based on the timeline this article lists out. So 2023, 2022, even the month wise is listed out. This in order is there. So if you want to download, you can download it. You can go for this, go put for the bibliometric analysis, any kind of work. If you like to do this, you can use this. That is called Research Rapid. This is called Research Rapid. So hope you are getting this, how we can use this. The good thing that we can import suppose you already use this Zotero well, you have a lot of articles, just import it. And from this, you can be able to connect this article and how the article is connected with other article, the similarity article, you can easily to locate from this. This might helping for to find, the similar kind of research work done by the other people. It's helping you. Okay. Now the next one, this may be final which I like to discuss now today. Right, we have the tools called the lens. Okay, the lens. Finally, one more tool that is a wonderful tool as part of the research summary as well as research article writing that you already familiar and that I listed later after this one. I'm taking one more tool also. Sorry for this. Yes, I'm taking this tool. Okay, this is called lens.org. This is working with AI, and good thing this we may get a pattern based things also. We may get a scholar works, profiles, climate landscape. From this different way we may get this. I'm just going to scholarly work. I'm going to sign in first. Okay, yeah, I'm just signing. So here we may get a wonderful what is the diagram represent like a scopus. For example, when you do the scopus like excluding criteria, including criteria, we get some kind of diagram. No, the similar kind of diagrams you may get it from here. I'm just showing this. I'm just like to go with this digital learning. This area I want to do the research. And I want to do some article. Can go with the digital learning. I can find here plenty of things related to the digital learning may be listed out. You can see this. Yeah. Expand. Okay, you are getting this. There's a 38,216 articles there. Cited this much. Cite pattern is there. You can see that there is a right side. There's an analytics. This analytics, wonderful analytics. So institution name, which are the institution that contributed, and publication over time. So these are things, similarly, the Scopus may be showing this. And the prominent author profile, particularly those who are using a bibliometric analysis, this kind of diagram they're using it. And the institution country, which are the countries they wrote. This is a dark color, wrote much. For example, India, it's 11,563. This dark color, 15,000 article. Now, the author display name, it is called, these are the author's display name. This is called document type. These are document type. These are legends like book, component, database, journal, article. Everything is visible, showing this. Suppose you would like to do the filter and you want to modify the things. We have some features like table format, hide analytics. Suppose you want to, as voice viewer through Prisma, of course, yeah. The similar way we can use voice over, you know that this kind of diagram is helping us bibliometric analysis. The same way it's working. Then we have the option like save query, customize list, explore citations. Even you can like to export it, exporting all kinds of things. Like you can see this, the entire thing we can export. It's a CSV file. This is also possible. And these are the tables. Just click the tables and list and just click the table format. Okay, when you click the table, you can show this table format now. It's a tabular format. Takes time. Okay. Yeah, we have the filter. We can select only that kind of scope. You can see this. These are the title. These are the author published and journal sources. All the table format is that. The same table only the bibliometric and the people are using it. Okay. So the lens, nowadays the people have started writing the article through the lens and through this lens based findings also. I mean, this kind of diagrams. You can look onto this where you felt that is better than the voice viewer software. You can use this. It's up to you. The comfortability is very important. As already showed, no, this is called filters. Suppose if you go to the authors, you can select the authors, only select, suppose I want to go only the Indian, and just click this. Suppose I want to go only the Indian based. Like institution country. Okay, so I'm just selecting this India. India is 11,566. You can see only the 11,566, right? So now I'm just going to the this one. Okay, journals. When I go with the journals, is once 1 minute, 1 minute. The last, I don't know what happened for. Just having small issues. 1 second. There's the error occurred. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. There is a network issue for my university. There's the regularly the frequency cut is there. Sorry. Just to share this. This may be final tool, don't worry. Okay. I thought to go with one more tool, but we are already saying 5. Yes. It's connecting now. Okay, fine. Okay. Sorry. So hope you are seeing this, that importance of lens. We have this much of features are there. Even the journal. So you can see this non-APC journal. So it's loading because journals, a lot of journals there. Okay. Similarly, the publisher also a lot of name is there. It takes time to be load. Then after selection, you may get, you can see the only you can go with the Springer and elsewhere. Go to the Springer and elsewhere. So the she's asking, you know, whether we can do the Scopus. You can go with the specific search. So which you want, then you can select this. Then after this, go for a new search and go with the new diagrams. You may get a wonderful diagrams. Okay. So later. Okay. So like every filter you can fix after this, go with your refine the search. Kindly look on to this case. Okay. Now I'm just going to conclude of today's presentation. Today we are talking about the article summary things only. Still, we have a lot of tools are available as part of the this review purpose. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to share my website there. I'm already compiled some AI tools for you. If possible, today or tomorrow morning, kindly explore some other tools because I cannot be what is that, cover all the tools which I like to share to you. It's not possible. I'm sharing my website. There I'm already compiled more than 100 tools related to this area, AI tools for research. So I'm just going to the specific link. If you go to the digitalcog.info, there is one called digital tool for research. When you click the digital tool for research, that's a specific web page also I'm sharing it. So when you go with this, that particular page, I scroll, if you scroll down, because all the tools related to the AI, I mean, so general research tools also there. But when you scroll down, you are finding this one, okay, AI search summary. So here I just listed some tools like Elicit, Thiyagu, Consensus, OpenRead, Scispace, Semantic Scholar, Heuristico. So just sharing this links, okay, these are the tools names, right? If possible, if the time possible, just today you can explore these tools, okay? Because I cannot be covered the similar kind of tool because all the tools have the same features only. But the only things you can explore which tools more comfortable for you. So don't use all the tools because each person having different comfortability while using the tools. So which tools you may be comfortable, you can start to use these tools. Okay. Yes. So any other doubts now? Any other doubts, please? Shalini, you are, yeah. Yeah, there is a question from Mahir NPK. It was very good. Okay. I have a question, sir. Is there any way to translate a book or an article more perfect than the Google translations? Okay. So translation, even the ChatGPT is working now. Okay, just you can paste this after that you're asking this ChatGPT is give this. And similarly, we have the suppose you have the PDF file or any yeah, what is that? Even 100-page or 200-page not an issue. Just you can upload a PDF file in the Google Drive. You can upload in a Google Drive. After uploading a Google Drive, just you can open through Google Docs. After opening Google Docs, we have the options like translate to one language to another language. Within a fraction seconds may be working, but everything's part of the Google translation only because I'm just doing the very small, because you're asking this because this is also part of the AI only. I'm just doing the small demo for this. For example, go to the Google Drive. I'm just going to the Google Drive. Because all the translation, there will be some, what is this? It's not in, because no, these are tools developed by some foreign country like Google and other tools. If you have the Indian based tool, it might be helping to translate perfectly. Okay. But we have Indian made tools also that you know the Anuvadini, but most of the time the Anuvadini is always network issues. Okay. There's a tool called Anuvadini. It is purely meant for the Indian based translation. Similarly, there's called Bhashini. There's a tool called Bhashini. You can look onto this. This is good for the Indian language because this is created by AICT itself. Okay, this is created by AICT as part of the Ministry of Education. Under this Ministry of Education, they take some initiative for the Indian languages. So here we have all the options like translate one language to other languages. You can see this video translations there, even dictation tool, then Bhashadan. Even all kind of video, YouTube video, any video you can be translated to one language to another language. And 2 minutes because you're asking the question from Google translation. I'm just doing this demo. I'm just going to the Google Drive now. So someone's put, just going to the Google Drive. So yeah, just you can look at it. Please don't, Shalini, please, Shalini, please, Jaijwal, please don't do this tick mark. I'm about to close, please. Okay. So don't click it because you are keeping the annotate. That's the issues now. Okay. So when you go with this, this kind of file, for example, there is a Bloom's taxonomy. It's an English version. I'm just opening the English version of Bloom's taxonomy. So it is an English version of Bloom's taxonomy. It's opening as a PDF file. Right now you can find this PDF file and just write instead of that, just right click and open with. There's an option called open with and Google Docs. Okay, I'm opening with the Google Docs. When you open a Google Docs, you can see what's happened. Actually, basic file, this one. Okay. So I'm just opening with the Google Docs. When you open a Google Docs, the same file, it's opening, the PDF file is opening in Google Docs. After this, we can easily to translate. Now there is some Bloom's taxonomy. Are you able to see this in English? Okay, this is in English. Suppose I want to convert into Tamil or in the language like to prefer. Okay. So the network, 1 minute. So still is rotating. Yes, 1 minute. Yeah. Now I'm just going to the tools. In the tools, there is an option, translate a document. When I click the translated document, extension, sorry, tools, there is an option called translated document. When I go with the translated document, it asks me to choose language. Basic language is in English. I'd like to go with Tamil. Just select the Tamil. After selecting the Tamil, click translate. When I click translate, you can see there's a two file. The source file is in English, other file is in Tamil. Okay. Other files in. So like this, we can convert to any, I mean, even the 100 page, 200 pages, we can easily translate from Google Docs to another Google Docs. Okay, very simple. Compared to other tools, okay, other tools we need to scan each page. This is very big challenge. But here, when you upload it, automatically is helping to translate. But the issue is that slang, you know, so like the translation is not that much 100% perfect because the Google translation is not created by the Indian people. Therefore, that translation not be perfect, but better to use some Anuvadini. But there will be limitation Anuvadini. Most of the time is not be working perfectly. Yes, any other questions?
I have a question, sir.
Please repeat the process of this Anuvadini, that how did you upload it and what did you do? Very simple way.
Yeah, yes, fine. So you can see this Anuvadini and just, as I already mentioned, no, the Anuvadini most of the time is not working well. Okay, you can, but it's in, there is a tool, dictation tool. There is a bar showing this video translation, voice-based multilingual form. Then which is a powerful online document translation tool. When you go to this first options, translation is, oh, it's asking this. Okay, login. Now it is asking the login. Invalid username.
Because sir, simply do it from the drive document and translate it.
We are talking about Google Drive. We're talking about Google Drive. Yeah. Google Drive is very simple. What you can do, you can upload a document, any documents in the Google Drive, right? Even the PDF file, any documents, it just, you can see there is a PDF file, right? You can see I'm just doing this. I have one article and just uploading. And go to the new file upload. Okay. You can upload any PDF file. So I have one article here, just uploading this article. Okay. And just uploading this text file. I uploaded. Okay. So after uploading this article, now this article, I'm just going to the recent. So what I'm going to do, kindly open this article, open with, okay. So when you go to the recent, so after uploading, yeah, this article, keep the cursor right click, and you can go with open with Google Docs. Open with the Google Docs, okay. Open with the Google Docs. Now the source file in English, okay. Now what's going to happen, you can see this, the document's opening now. It's totally in English, okay. Now it's in English. So which language you like to translate, sir? You can tell me, I will try to translate the language like to prefer. Which language
It's
you
okay
like?
now. It's okay now.
It's
Because
okay,
the Google Docs option is not showing in my computer, that's why I was calling for it.
No, one thing you can do, you might use the other browser. You can use the Google Chrome browser. Okay, sometimes if you are using the other browser, this option never be shown this. Okay, you can use the Google Chrome browser. Now after this, I'm just going to do the tools. In the tools, I'm going to the translated document, and I like to go with the language like to prefer or Malayalam. I just like to go with the Malayalam. Okay. So I'm just select the Malayalam and click translate. Now you can see there's other file may go apart. The entire page, it may be 20-25 page article. The entire things may becomes Malayalam. Yeah, please. Yeah, you can see the Malayalam transcription.
Sir. Hello. Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, so please, what is the question, ma'am? Please. I'm audible now?
Sir, is there yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Sir, is
Sorry.
there
Yeah.
any tool to transcribe this meeting and all? Because in between we are having so much of network issue and some voice is not audible. So, other than Otter, any other tool is available for getting the mm, text format of the meeting?
Yeah, but
Can you
the
understand
ethical,
my
yeah,
question?
yeah, I understood. You're talking about the AI companion, like even the Zoom meeting, and they already enabled this AI companion. Like what I think I'm speaking kindly comes in some kind of what is the text message. But ethically, only the host can do this. But we have some third-party tool, we can do this, but ethically it's not correct. Hope you understood, right? So without the consent of the
Okay, sir.
host, without consent of the resource person, it cannot take a what is that, the transcripts. But we have the options. Those who are having a paid account of Zoom, even the Google Meet, the entire transcripts, what the people, even what you speak also, it will come as in transcripts. Okay. With the
Okay,
request
sir.
of the transcript, you can ask the resource manager, what is that, the person host, they will share this transcripts. Okay. That's fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So nowadays, all the chat with this kind of tools, like this kind of Google Meet or this kind of video conference tools, default there is an companion, is the AI companions is helping for transcripts. Even it gives the summary also. So for you may be discussed for 2 hours. The end of the 2 hours, what is the summary of this that meeting? It's giving this report also.
So
That
may
kind
I
of
ask one question?
yeah, please.
Yeah,
Sir, good
is
evening, sir.
there any other AI tool in which I upload directly 2 to 3 PDF files and ask to prepare the paper simultaneous to it?
You with the 5 or 6 PDF file you uploaded. After that, you want to get a single and a compilation work of
Yes, sir.
yeah, it is there, madam. It is already there. Where it is the tools which I discussed. No, I just do the demo only 1 or 2 article only uploaded. But we have the option we can upload 3 or 4 articles and then you can ask to the summary. So
Then can you tell me the name of that once?
yeah, tomorrow I'm going to discuss these things. Don't worry about this. Okay, tomorrow there's called size summary. There's some tools called size summary. There is called Afori. These are the tools might help in this Afori and all. Okay, tomorrow we are going to discuss these things. Don't worry. We have time and request all the participants listen. Tomorrow I have the other meeting the same time. Therefore, I request the organizer and as well as the participants kindly allow me to start this meeting at 8 o'clock, 8 to 9:30. Tomorrow I have the other program is there. So 8 to 9:30. I request all the participants. Tomorrow program is 8 to 9:30 and day after tomorrow is the same time. Okay. Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Participant, do you have any other doubts?
Good evening, sir. One question,
Sir,
sir.
one more.
Yeah,
Yes.
please.
Sir, thank you, sir. Good evening.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Dr. Kiran Sarshikar from Karnataka.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fine.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. You have presented it good, but we have one request that is it possible to share the recorded video on the group? Either it is in the YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's there already.
Yeah, they already start recording. They end up after 2 or 3 days. We share as a YouTube link. Okay, don't worry. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thanks, sir.
Thank you. Sure, sure.
Good evening, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, good evening, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, எனக்கு ஒரு டவுட் சார். ஹலோ.
Yeah, so please proceed.
சார், என்னுடைய ரிசர்ச் பேப்பர் ஒன்று செலக்ட் ஆயிருந்தது. இந்த மாதிரி அஸ்ஸாம்ல வந்து மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ் ரிசர்ச் பேப்பர். ஆனா அவங்க அங்க இருந்து என்ன போட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த டிரான்ஸ்லேஷன் கொஞ்சம் சரியில்லை, அந்த கிராமட்டிக்கல் மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் நிறைய இருந்தது அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. ஆனா திருப்பியும் என்னுடைய ஃப்ரெண்டு கிட்ட கேட்டு அதை திருப்பி கரெக்ட் பண்ணி அமிச்சேன். இது மாதிரி ஏதாவது ஏஐ டூல் இருக்கா சார்? நம்ம பண்ண ரிசர்ச் பேப்பரை வந்து அவங்க வந்து ஏஐ வந்து அதை கரெக்ட் பண்ணி
நம்ம இதே கியூல்பாட் யூஸ் பண்ணலாமே. யூ கேன் யூஸ் த கியூல்பாட். அதான் ஃபேரா பிரைசிங், கிராமர் செக் எல்லாம் அதன் பண்ணதுல கிராமர்லி.
என்னங்க சார் அதோட இது பேர் என்ன?
கியூல்பாட் QUILLBOT கியூல்பாட் ஆர் கிராமர்லி.
Please type it in the chat box, sir.
என்னோட சிஸ்டம் டிஸ்கனெக்ட் ஆச்சு. anyone can kindly help us? I'm
Yeah,
using
sir.
mobile.
I can do it.
Okay. Kielbot
Okay,
as
sir.
well.
Thank you, sir. That was a nice session. Very nice session.
Okay.
Sir. Thank you.
Chat GPT is helping. Nowadays, Chat GPT is helping for